Todd Park is a technology advisor based in Silicon Valley for the Obama administration. He was formerly the second Chief Technology Officer of the United States, replacing the United States' first CTO Aneesh Chopra. On September 4, 2014, it was announced that Megan Smith will replace Park. Early life and education. Park was born in 1973 in Salt Lake City, Utah to South Korean immigrant parents. His father was a chemical engineer, who reportedly had more patents than anybody in Dow Chemical unregistered trademark's history except for Dr. Dow himself. He graduated from the Columbus Academy in 1990. In that year he was named a Presidential Scholar. He attended Harvard as an economics major where he met his future wife and mother of his 2 children, Amy. He was an outstanding student throughout his career, and graduated with a magna cum laude and a Phi Beta Kappa. Athena Health, Cast Light, and Ashoka. Prior to his career in government, Park was the co-founder of 2 successful health information technology companies. He began his business career as a consultant for Booz Allen Hamilton. Park co-founded Athena Health with Jonathan S. Bush in 1997 at the age of 24. In one interview, he noted that his goal at Athena Health was healthcare IT, not technology sitting there naked and expensive and not very effective and efficient at actually helping, but technology utilized to help re-architect the business and care processes in healthcare to make it more efficient and effective and to help consumer-directed healthcare and pay-for-performance move along more expeditiously. In 2008 he co-founded Cast Light Health, named by the Wall Street Journal as the #1 venture-backed company in America for 2011. Park also served as a volunteer senior advisor to Ashoka, a global incubator of social entrepreneurs, where he helped start a venture called HealthPoint Services, which brings affordable clean water, drugs, diagnostics, and telehealth services to rural villages in India. In 2011, HealthPoint Services won the Sankalp Award for the AUR Most Innovative and Promising Health-Oriented Social Enterprise in India. Department of Health and Human Services. In 2009, he was approached by Bill Corr to be the Chief Technology Officer of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and was appointed CTO that same year by President Barack Obama. At HHS, he has been a leader in bringing the notion of big data to healthcare. He has expressed his ambition to create an open health data platform analogous to the National Weather Service, which feeds data to commercial weather sites and applications. He has also described his desire to create a holy cow machine for healthcare that shows waste. At HHS, he was an advocate for applying open innovation and the lean startup approach to government initiatives. Under Park, HHS has applied open innovation sometimes called crowdsourcing to leverage the distributed intelligence of people outside of government. According to the New York Times, Park believes that releasing health data through healthdata.gov will support the agency's public health goals and catalyze new business opportunities in health and e-health. In 2010, Fast Company magazine named him one of the 100 most innovative people in business. Park ran his team inside the massive government agency like a Silicon Valley company, according to The Atlantic. That approach was particularly relevant in the development of healthcare.gov, the first government website that provides consumers with a searchable database of public and private health insurance plans available across the U.S. by zip code. At HHS, Park also launched the Community Health Data Initiative, a developer conference and showcase to encourage the development of innovative healthcare applications using open government data. By its 4th year, the event, renamed the Health Data Palooza, grew to over 2,000 attendees, receives coverage from technology blogs, and has participation from venture capitalists, physicians and politicians from both sides of the aisle, providing an example of a way that government can engage with the private sector. U.S. Chief Technology Officer. In March 2012, President Obama appointed Todd Park to replace Aneesh Chopra as the United States Chief Technology Officer and Assistant to the President. After assuming this role, Park worked with a variety of agencies across the federal government to replicate the Data Palooza in their respective domains. Inspired by Code for America, Park also started the Presidential Innovation Fellows Program, designed to bring top innovators from outside government for focus to o tours of duty with federal innovators on game-changing projects. The idea of the program is to combine the experience of citizen change agents and government change agents to tackle specific challenges at high speed, delivering significant results within 6 months. Involvement with healthcare.gov. The successful initial version of healthcare.gov, which was deployed on July 1, 2010, was built in 90 days by Park and his team at HHS. The first healthcare.gov was cited by the Kaiser Family Foundation as one of the early highlights in the implementation of the healthcare reform implementation progress. Healthcare.gov was also the first website ever demoed by a sitting president. The following 2 versions, from the successful relaunch of the front end in May 2013 to the badly flawed marketplace that went live in October 2013, were developed by contractors and overseen by officials the Centers for Medicaid and Medicare, outside of his purview within the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy. When the extent of the problems with healthcare.gov became clear, Park was tasked by President Obama to work on trauma team that addressed the technological disaster. Park, along with Jeffrey Zients, led the tech surge that ultimately repaired healthcare.gov over the winter, eventually fixing the marketplace sufficiently to enable millions of Americans to register for health insurance. References. External links: SHWENGUI interviews Todd Park and Tim O'Reilly at SXSW 2011, March 2011, The World's Leading Data Scientists, No. 5, Todd Park, Forbes, November 2, 2011. Health Data Palooza.